Hey there, today I will show you how to make your TikTok account private. So let's get started. It's pretty simple and easy. Open up TikTok, then go to your profile, tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now tap on three lines at the top right corner. From pop-up menu proceed to settings and privacy. Go to privacy and here you will see first option private account. Is a private account, only accounts you approve can follow you. We just swipe the slider to the right side, then tap on switch account. As you can see here, people can follow you after you accept their follow request. Can you change this anytime? Your video will be visible to your followers in their following and for your feeds on your profile and more. Your existing followers won't be affected. So we tap on switch, then go back and check this out. As you can see here, if you do all right, here we'll see private account on your profile. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.